Hi good people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to file your KRA returns using the P9 form and also claim your NHIF relief, that is for the year 2024. If you have a P9 form and you want to file your returns, this is one of the videos that you don't want to miss. Remember, this year the system or the way we used to apply have changed. We have some features which have been changed, so this is one of the video that you need to watch until to the end so that you can be able to file your returns with ease without any charge. So if you are new to this channel, I would kindly request you to subscribe. And if you are returning subscriber and you are returning viewer, kindly welcome back. Watch this video. I hope it will be very much helpful, and if you find it helpful, give it a like, share to someone else, and also you can write a comment at the comment section, maybe to encourage me and others. So without wasting time, you just have your P9 form ready, then you go to the KRA portal, that is iTax online, which is here, the KRA itax.kra.go.ke. that is the website. After opening here, you will feed in your KRA pin. So the information that will be feeding here will be deriving it from the P9 form. So make sure you have the P9 form ready with you so that we work together. So from there, here you type in your P9, that is, you type your pin or the KRA pin, which is here on the P9 form. So this is the KRA pin or your pin, that is the employee's pin. So you feed it here. You click continue, you enter the password, hoping you still remember your password, but if you don't remember it, you can as well as request for a new password by clicking here, forget password, then enter this security stamp. It's a very simple mathematical test, 89 plus 7, that is 96. Then you click login. You click login, then on your website or on your account, you click return, then file a return. Then from there, here you have the type of the return that you are filing. Here is self, the type of taxpayer pin, you write your pin there. Then the tax obligation. In this case, you will select the tax that you are filing. Here we are filing income tax, resident individual. Then you click next. So on this page, we can read this of the instruction. Click one of the links below to download the return form. So fill the Excel or ODS return form. Provide detail requested below. Upload the Excel or ODS return form using the browser button. Click and submit the file version 18.09. So this is a new version. That's why I'm saying there is a change in how we used to file. This year there are some retro changes, so you need to watch this video to the end so that you can be able to file for 2024. So in this case, we will download the Excel sheet here. This is the Excel form in the form in the format of Excel. So we click here to download, and there the file or the form is being downloaded. Yeah, it has finished downloading. Then you can click to open. So here you will open the file. So this is the file that you are interested. You click to open. in an Excel. So it's a very simple process. You just need to pay your attention and you'll be able to file it on your own. So don't be stressed. It's a very simple process. You can do it in a matter of seconds, if not minutes. So be in the confidence and you can do it on your own. So there you activate editing, and here you can see security warning micro have been disabled. On this case, you enable so that you can be able to write on this template. And here there is a notification. Please do not copy and paste any value on the worksheet. Okay, so here you will just feed a personal identification number, that is the KRA number. So we will feed it here. You will feed it there, which is A. Z. Then on the next step, type of return. So here you choose from the down and the drop box, which is you are filing the original, not amended. You can choose amended or original. So from there, you type the period of the year that you are filing the return. In this case, we are filing from January, from 1st of January 2023 to 31st. So from there, you will type here for the insurance policy. You type yes, because we have an NHIF policy. So from there, no other information is needed in this page or in this spreadsheet. So we can proceed to the next spreadsheet. So in the next spreadsheet, employment income, we will be filling these depending on the PIN, the P9 form that we already have. So on the P9 form, so the first thing is to fill the employer's PIN. So in this case, we're feeding the employer's PIN, and as the P9 form that we have, we can see the employer's PIN. So we type this PIN on the sheet. So name of the employer, you type in the name of the employer as on the template. As on the P9 form, we have the name of the employer, which is NHIF Limited. So here we type the name of the employer, NHIF Limited. Then here you are supposed to feed in the gross pay, which is column A. So we feed in the gross pay or the basic salary in column A, the total, which is 500, as that on this P9 form is 527,813. So we feed that amount here, 527,813. Allowance, benefits, and benefits from employment other than car. So according to this template or P9 form that we have, we don't have any other allowances. So here we take 0. Then here net value of housing. According to the P9 form, we don't have the housing value. So here we type 0. So from there, pension, if in excess of 300,000. So we look on the P9 form whether our pension is more than 300,000. In this case of defined pension, we look at column A, which is the actual pension. In this case is 12,080 shillings, which is not the value is not above 300,000 that is indicated here. So we type 00. Then from there we proceed. Then on this template, that's why I'm saying it has changed. Initially we never used to feed this. Last year we didn't fill this part, but in this year templates there is these changes. So that's why I'm saying this video is totally different, and this year is totally different. We need to watch this video until to the end so that you can be able to file it well. So in this part you will fill the January to June income. So on your P9 form you add the income, the basic income for January to June. So let's open our calculator. As you can see, from January to May, the gross or the basic salary was fixed, was 39,448. So we can type 39,448 times 5 months. Then you add the June's salary, which was more. So we add 93,805 as indicated here. So that will come to 291,125. That is the amount that you are going to write here. 291 125. Then from there we'll have to fill the pension for the month of January to June. So on your P9 form you add the pension. This is the actual pension, as I have said, column E, actual pension. So we add that pension from Jan to June, actual pension from January to June. As you can see, from February to June, the amount is fixed. That is 1080 times 5 months. You add 200 for the first year, the first month, that is January. So the total is 5,600. That's the amount that you are going to feed here, 5,600. Then from there you are required to feed in the July to December income. July to December income. So on your template you will add July to December income. July to December income, the income is fixed on the column of basic salary. So we can just type 39,408 times 6 months, that is 236,688. 236,688. Then from there you are required to feed in the July to December pension. On your template you will write July to December pension. This is the column from pension. So July to December, as you can see, it is fixed. So it is 1080 times 6 months. So it is 6480. So here you'll feed 6480. Okay, and then you are done with that spreadsheet. You continue to the next spreadsheet, whereby you will be required to compute the insurance relief. So here you can type the PIN of the insurance company. Our insurance company here is NHIF, and the PIN for NHIF you can just Google it. Now that I had looked for the PIN, I will just type in here This is the PIN for NHIF. Then from here you can, the name of the company here is NHIF. You can just write in short form, or as well you can write in full form, that is National Health Insurance Fund. You can type in full or as well in abbreviations. So from here you can hear the type of policy: life, education, health, and NHIF. Here you choose from the drop box, and here you take NHIF. So that is the policy that we have. So insurance policy number, here is the NHIF membership number. And as I had, if you don't remember your NHIF number, you can just get it by sending a message of ID dash, you give ID number, then you send it to 1550. If you send a message, they'll give you back I will send back a message with your membership number. Now that I have the client membership number, I will just type it here: 4561 4561. You type in there your membership number 827. Then from there you can see the policy holder itself. It has just populated there. Then the next step that you are going to fill is the annual premium paid. Annual premium paid. Here is where the calculations are coming very strongly. If you didn't like math, this time you will be forced to do some calculations. So to calculate the annual paid premium, as you can see, the relief is usually being the 15% of the annual premium paid. So your relief, let's say the relief that you get monthly is usually being the 15% of your premium. So you get a relief of 15% of the premium that you had made. So in this case, on our P9 form, you have to calculate the insurance relief that is given. So we have the personal relief and the insurance relief. But as you all know, the personal relief is usually constant. Is constant at 2400. So it means the amount of money above 2400 is the insurance relief. Okay, so you calculate, you will have to less the amount of personal relief from the insurance. So as I was saying, if each month the guy is given a personal relief of 2400, it means in the year the personal relief that she or he will get in an year is 2400 you times by the 12th month. So the personal relief that's supposed to get within an year was 28,800. But in this case, there is he or she has been given a relief of 33,800, 33,307, 33,307. So it means if you less the difference, if you less the difference from 28 that is supposed to be the personal relief, the difference will be the insurance relief. So you less 33,307. So it means that the personal relief that she has been given for the whole year is 4507. That is the personal relief that has been given on the insurance for the whole year. So if you come here, the personal relief, the insurance relief that is given is 15% of the annual premium. So it means this amount is 15% of the annual premium. So this is the personal relief. Now to get the annual premium, you will have to get the 100% of this. So this is 15%. What about 100%? In this case, you'll have to multiply by 100, then you divide by 15. Quick maths there, and you'll be able to know that the annual premium for the insurance was 30,046 shillings. So we type it here, 30,046 shillings. So from there, you can see the insurance relief has been calculated to be 4507, as we had seen on our calculations here. So as you can see on our calculation we have done there, the insurance relief we had seen is 4507, which has been calculated here. So our insurance relief has been calculated well or captured well. I know that mathematical there has been, it was tough, but you can do it. Do a practice now and then before you submit, and make sure that what you have calculated tallies with the P9 form, as on the P9 form. So having calculated our annual premium paid and having our insurance relief, we can now continue to the next spreadsheet, where we'll be required to fill in the payee deducted. So on this sheet, you will come here, and from the drop box you can choose, or you can as well write the employer's PIN. But in this case, since we have the drop PIN on the drop box, we choose our PIN. We type the name of the employer, which is NHIF, as according to our template, our P9 form here. So from there, you type the taxable salary. On the P9 form, the taxable salary is also known as chargeable pay. So this is the total amount that you are going to write there. That is 515. You type it here, 515,733. So that is the chargeable pay, or the taxable salary. On tax payable on the sheet, you take this tax charged, is also known as the tax payable, which is 92,120. 92,000, sorry, you type it here, 92,120.10. So from there, you will type the amount of tax deducted payee. Amount of tax deducted payee, this is the amount of taxable or payee here, column L, sorry. And here you will type in this amount, which is 58,812. 58,812.60. So from there, you can see this amount has been calculated, which is amount of tax payable or refundable payee is calculated. C equals A minus B. So as you can see that 3,307, which is also this amount here of the personal relief. So far so good. So from there we proceed to the next spreadsheet, and in this spreadsheet you will have nothing to fill in, as the details required here is the amount of income tax paid in advance. In most cases we don't pay tax in advance, so in this spreadsheet nothing to fill. We proceed to the next sheet, and in this spreadsheet you will have two portions to fill. The first section is this one. You fill the pension defined or pension contribution on our P9 form. The pension contribution is this one. Total pension contribution, which is 12,080. 12,080. So from there, the next section to filling is the personal relief. On personal relief, remember our personal relief. On personal relief, here is the personal relief. As indicated here, it is 2,400 each month. So as we had done that calculation previously, the guy has been receiving 2,400 each month times 12, which is equivalent to 28,800. That's the amount that you are going to feed here, 28,800, and there you click enter. So from there, there is nothing else you are going to feed, and as you can see, the value that has been generated here as the tax refundable, as the tax due or tax refundable, is very little, meaning that our computation was good and our calculation had been done well and according to the way it's supposed to be done. But if you find the value here is big, you need to go back and recheck those calculations to make sure that what you have fed in is exactly the same as what is on the P9 form. But if you find a challenge in computing your calculations or your template, this template, you can raise a question on the comment section. I will be ready to answer you. So if you find this to be being negative, it means that the KRA, the KRA owes you. But if it is positive, it means that you owe the KRA that amount. So in this case, it is very little amount, which is 0.4. That cannot affect any. It means it's good and it has been done to the perfect. So from there, you can click validate. You click validate. This one was so perfect and it was perfectly done. So you click validate and you allow it to generate an Excel sheet. So as you can see, sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? Here you click yes, and there a file has been generated, and you can see the locations where the file has been saved. It has been saved on the document section. So from there you click OK, and then you go back to your website or to your account, and here you continue to, after preparing now that you have prepared the Excel sheet, now it's time to upload the Excel return form using the browser button below. So from here you click here, you click the original. The dates are okay. We are filing for the year 2023 from January 2023 to December 31st 2023. So here you choose in the file that has been downloaded on our documents. You can see the file that has been just being saved here. So you click on that file, you click open. The file will be uploaded here. You agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click submit. And here you can see the notification. Do you want to upload the form? And then you click yes. So you allow it to load, and as you can see, the file has been submitted, and now you can see the return submitted successfully with acknowledgement number here. Then you can download the receipt to give to your client or to keep it for yourself. As you can see, the return that we have done, as we have populated the template, the tax due is 0.4, which is so perfect, and it has been done to satisfaction. So that's the way Very simple. Work it through. You'll be doing it on your own without need to go to the cyber or paying anyone to do it for you. But if you are lazy, you can give someone to do it for you. That is it. You can send that money to me and give that document to me. I'll do it for you. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more of this. Thank you and bye-bye.